In 10 years, there's been 150 billion downloads of apps, and 98% of apps are downloaded, opened once, and never opened again. You have a 2% chance of getting this right. You get this right, and you meet my need for intimacy and connectedness, I'll spend anything. And guess what? That's what analytics is all about.
It's our role as leaders within our organization to go back and share what we know about what's taking place. This is kind of the art of the possible, the things that are happening out there that make us think, oh wow, we could go do that.
This at the Retail and Consumer Goods Analytics Summit, I think, is a good example of from topics ranging from how do you staff and hire for analytics, how do you go about identifying use cases.
I think what was most beneficial about the conference is that people are finding the intimacy and the connection the most valuable piece.
So we're learning about all the data that these retailers have today and how they're not leveraging it. There's unstructured data, there's receipts data, there's DSD data, there's inventory data, there's loyalty data. And a lot of the retailers are not leveraging that data and giving it one consolidated view.
I mean, we're here talking about analytics, we're talking about consumers, we're talking about things that bring retailers and CP companies together.
Using some sales history or stock history to look at sales miss, looking at switching, looking at what's happening at pricing, and making better decisions on POG resets, making better decisions on how we're going to connect with our customers, who our customers are and who the customers we're going to want to go after.
So going after this, it's not a one-size-fits-all, and this is a great venue to go after and have these open discussions.
This is my first time here, but from all the reviews that I've read in the past, you know, it's one of the most important events in terms of getting analytics.
So I always find that you're on the leading edge of what's happening. So when I saw the list of the lineup for this conference last year, I just thought, wow, they really are on top of what's going on.
And I don't think we get to these functions nearly enough where we force ourselves to, consider our limitations, challenge ourselves to do better, and then have that dialogue with other folks who can give you different points of view.
It's a great learning experience, incredible collaboration, and a place where ideas can be shared and actual insights truly will come forward.
Because when you and I walk into a store, we walk into any place, we're looking for a deep experience, we're looking for connection, we're looking for you to understand what I'm really about.